Hello and welcome back for another video from Nottingham Music Excellence. So this is the play along video for In Sherwood Livde Stout Robin Hood for grade 2 alto saxophone. So get your Bluetooth speaker ready. I'm going to play the piano track for you to play along with. And if you're perhaps in the earlier stages of playing this and you want a reduced tempo, I've got a reduced tempo version as well. So you've got two different speeds on this video that you can play along with. So choose the one that suits you best. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3.